Hello kids! In this video I want to teach you how to convert fractions to decimals, and this is a really simple process because the only thing that you have to know is that you have to divide the numerator by the denominator. That means in this case 3 divided by 4, that if we do it in the American division way, it will be 3 here divided by 4. So we have to think, remember how to make divisions. 3, does it fit in, sorry, 4, does it fit in 3? No, it doesn't, so it's 0. 0 times 4 is 0, we subtract, we get 3, and since there's nothing to drop down, okay, there's nothing to drop down, then we have to put a comma, and we have to put a 0 here. So 4, how many times does it fit in 30? Well, 4 fits 7 times in 30. 7 times 4 is 28. We subtract, we get 2, and since there's nothing to drop down again, we put a 0. 4 fits in 20 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0, and we finished. Therefore 3/4 is 0.75. Okay, sorry for writing that so smashed. Okay, 3/4 is 0.75. Let's do another example. Oh, sorry. Okay, what about 9/5? Okay, the same. You have to divide 9 by 5, which is like this. 9 divided by 5. So 5 fits in 9. Yes, it fits 1. 1 times 5 is 5. We subtract, we get 4, and since there's nothing else to drop down, we put a 0, we put a comma, and 5 in 40 fits 8 times. So 8 times 5 is 40. Yeah, that's it. That means that 9/5 is 1,8. Now, for our last example, I have a mixed number here. Okay, so you have to understand that here in a mixed number we have an integer part and a fractional part. Okay, so remember that here's an invisible addition, as I told you in the classes of last year. So we can think that the result is going to be like this: 3 plus, because here's a 3, plus 2/5, but 2/5 in decimal is 2 divided by 5. Okay, so we have to make the division of 2 divided by 5, and then we add it to the 3, but it's going to be really easy. So let's see, let's focus on doing 2 divided by 5. 2 divided by 5. 5 into doesn't fit. Okay, so 0 times 5 is 0. We subtract, we get 2, comma 0, because there's nothing to drop down. 5 in 20 fits 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. We subtract, and that's it. So what happens? We are going to combine the first 3 that we had. Okay, we had this number 3 here. Sorry if I am being rude with the handwriting. Okay, so here's a 3, and we are going to put comma, and after that we are going to take the part after the comma of this result. Okay, so it's going to be 4. Therefore 3 and 2/5, which was the original exercise, is the same than 3, 4.